Good morning, my name is Sara Gabriela Goy Quevedo. The grade is 7B. The present is Oriental vs. Western. The Western woman has claimed two positions of great importance. Communication and social networks advise to observe the condition that million women law and line center. Unlike bird women, you are four engaged into this socially. However, on the other side of the world of wind, of cloud, in which women, of conflict and discrimination and hate and despair. Some manage so that their rights violate the life of their religions, not vain evolve participation absolutely. In nothing with food ready to food, they simple sort they rated and not to be servant of their husband by faulting they devils. To be point of not being able to choose their husband, not his form of dress forcing. That the cover is very comparted, bring is new of Chester. The right of expression heard, women and men are listened to and bold equally. For now and wins that Western woman has gained experience in various spheres of separate in various spheres of separate, but height of are still. There problems that directly him such a prevalence premising discrimination. However, therefore, his many points gain with respect to Muslim women. Oriental. Some Orient women choose to cover their hair in public and symbol of respect. Western. The Western woman likes to show her attribute with freedom. Some Oriental cultures choose to cover their hair in public as a symbol of respect. The Western woman likes to channel her attributes with freedom. How whiting gowns are with or light colored represent courage. In medicine, the various Orientals are brightly colored and full of jewels to show advance. In the West, where there are more women who dance and kids of music, also interpret it, and make cultures of the Orientals not are dance and least in public. The Western woman usually likes to heal their curves, while the Oriental use more dry lines. There is always something in common, of course, both in the heat and in the woods, and women are happy once a lot. Okay, what can we from other cultures? We can learn from other cultures the difference that exists in an age, place, and the list of dreadful values in their ways of life. There is something of creative, not smiling women are very usually husband only in very traditional homes in territories where ISIS is in command. What do we need to the honor to improve our life conditions? The only how to improve our life is by turning our eyes to Christ. Separate from God, we will always be confused lots. With each aspect are to be changed. We putting our life in submission to the will of God. Much will change, because our very Creator is going to lead our life that will allow us now to prove that is God and good would confirm we can make decisions based on what the Father is like us. We will be transformed into our personal values with respect to English and ethic. Socialists with harms will of her prayer of God will be transformed. That will lead to a solid society where fraud, respect, and love you will reign. 2. Treat to training of the very country field, describing the ideal Colombian and then draw him her. A man we can all, a man of God must the fully convinced of the existence of God and of the divine revelation of this world. You must of the commit to the cause of treat your wife or her friends, your children if you have them, your family, your church, your studies, your work. A man of God under his calling to deny himself, take the cross and follow Jesus. Thank you.